Happy Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. This is Blue Lightning AI Daily. I'm Zane, and today's episode was made with Microsoft Vibe Voice 7B. Let's go.
Hey there, I'm Pippa, and we've got big Google Workspace news. Google Vids just dropped fresh Gen AI powers for creators. It's giving make a video where you already write your docs.
Exactly. If you haven't touched Vids yet, it's Google's collaborative video tool sitting next to docs and slides. You can storyboard, script, record with a teleprompter, edit, share for review, all in your browser.
And now the glow up. Image to video B-roll with VO3, AI presenters, aka avatars, and automatic transcript cleanup. That's the trifecta for speed.
What changed? Vids can turn your static images and a prompt into short dynamic clips perfect for quick B-roll. It can also put an AI avatar on camera to read your script in a consistent style, and it cleans ums, stutters, and long pauses in the transcript, synced right to the timeline.
Who it's for? Marketers making explainers, founders pitching, creators teaching workflows, HR rolling out onboarding. Anyone who needs clean, on-brand video fast.
Why it matters: fewer handoffs to outside editing tools, fewer who can record today bottlenecks, and a faster path to first cut. You're staying inside Workspace Drive storage, link permissions, comments so approvals don't get chaotic?
Okay, quick vibe check on each feature. First up, image to video. This is powered by Google's VO3 model. Think you've got a product shot and no footage. Vids animates it into a clip you can cut into your scene.
And it's aimed at those 8-ish second cutaways that usually send you down a stock mania rabbit hole. This just generates motion that matches the prompt and scene.
Next, AI presenters. This is the consistent face and voice on command moment. If your team does weekly updates or training, you pick an avatar, drop your script, done. No studio booking, no my mic broke panic.
It's basically Synthesia vibes, but inside Vids, right next to your storyboard and Drive assets. And it's great for brand consistency across multiple videos.
And transcript cleanup? Chef's kiss. It removes filler words and long pauses right from the transcript pane, and the timeline updates. It's like Descript's magic, but inside your Workspace project.
For creators, that's last-mile polish without exporting audio to another app. You get from rough read to publishable faster.
Yeah, fame. Availability check. Vids is available for Google Workspace business and enterprise customers, and the AI features depend on your plan. There's also a consumer version rolling out that's free with basics, but advanced AI stuff is still tied to paid Workspace Gemini plans.
Source: TechCrunch, Aug 27, 2025, Google Workspace blog and updates posts.
Yep, links at workspace.google.com, stipio-tip notilation te, or stipio-tip, she's on Facebook tibawar kirayo for neat UA. And stuff to the winga.
Teaching you listen to it.
Förlåt, använder same words that you use after all the trigger this new EA. Lucius so sustainable. Do you become major reconsider the restless question?
Idili.
Even schemai and exanding.
Really confused.
It's a little different. And it does with the original Buildings Alliance could have. Because that did no feet, what the percent that's talk and Workspace, not the end.
Let's compare to alternatives. Runway and Pika are still the champs for cinematic image to video. If you want hyper-stylized motion control, you might still go there. But if you need good enough B-roll right now, inside your team workflow, Vids is convenient.
And for avatars, there's Synthesia, HeyGen, CapCut has some options, but having it baked into Workspace is the win. Your PM can literally comment, change this line in the same file and re-render.
For transcript cleanup, Descript and Adobe Podcast are great. Vids just saves you a round trip. One tool, one timeline.
Quality question. Zane, how do these VO3 clips look?
From what we've seen, they're solid for cutaways, product pans, simple transitions, light camera moves. Think quick reel insert, not full cinematic.
They're like Ken Burns effect with extra spice, but you're not making Dune 3 with it. Got it.
Ha, exactly. It's built for velocity. Pitch decks to explainer clips, onboarding slides to lessons.
Any gotchas? I'm thinking brand and legal.
A few. For avatars, get policy sign-off on using synthetic presenters. Make sure disclosure and usage rights are clear. Also, keep an eye on voice and likeness settings so you don't accidentally ship a tone that clashes with brand guidelines.
And the usual uncanny valley, pick avatars that match your brand vibe. If you're a wellness brand, you want warm and human, not sci-fi news anchor.
Good call. Also, teams should standardize templates, lower thirds, fonts, color palettes. Vids supports brand assets from Drive. Use them so every video ships on brand.
Pricing vibes to is a mitaha tan full cases discover. We won't dive deep, but note that AI features tie to Workspace Gemini entitlements. If you're on business standard without the AI add-on, you may not get everything.
Rapid tips. Start with a doc outline. Then generate storyboard in Vids for a fast first cut. Use VO3 image to video to fill missing B-roll before you hunt stock. If you can't film, pick an AI presenter for consistency and speed. Run transcript cleanup at the end, then one final pass for pacing.
Love it. Also, if you're a YouTuber, try Vids for sponsor reads and channel updates. Teleprompter plus transcript cleanup equals crisp, no-filler clips. Then export vertical and square cuts for socials. Multi-format options are coming per Google's notes.
On that, Google's teased extras like noise cancellation, meat-like backgrounds filters, and support for portrait landscape 25 square. Timeframes vary, but they've signaled it's on the roadmap. Source, Phone Arena Roundup and Workspace Updates posts.
Big picture. Google wants video-first comms to be as normal as writing a doc. Honestly, that tracks. We've seen the same trend in marketing. If it's not a video, it barely ships.
And creators get more leverage, less technical lift, more storytelling. You keep attention on script, structure, and brand, the AI handles filler footage and cleanup.
Quick use case lightning round?
Go for it.
Startup launch. Founder writes talking points in docs. Vids turns that into a storyboard. Add VO B-roll of the product. AI presenter for a 30-second teaser. Transcript cleanup. Done.
HR onboarding. Clone last quarter's deck into Vids. Avatar delivers consistent training segments. Swap screenshots. Export approvals happen in comments.
Creator course. Screen record with teleprompter inside Vids. Trim ums via transcript. Sprinkle a few image-to-video cutaways to keep energy up.
And for agencies, it's a lifesaver. Clients already review docs in Drive. Now they review videos the same way. Fewer tool switches equals fewer delays.
Context check with the market. We just covered Runway's push on image-to-video controls and the broader wave of AI-first editors like Canva and Adobe Express. Google's angle is workflow native, get it done where your team already live.
Sources if you want to dig deeper. Google Workspace blogs Vids overview, the official Vids page, Workspace updates posts on VO3 and avatars, and TechCrunch's Aug 2025 piece on the consumer version and AI presenters.
And if you test it today, tag us with your first image-to-video before-after. I want to see those product shots glow up.
Same. All right, time to land this. Google Vids just made B-roll, presenters, and polish faster, especially for non-technical teams. If you're in marketing, education, or startup land, this is worth a spin.
That's our show.
Thanks for listening to Blue Lightning AI Daily on this fine Tuesday. Today's episode was made with Microsoft Vibe Voice 7B.
For more AI news and step-by-step tutorials, hit bluelightningtv.com. We've got breakdowns to help you use your favorite AI tools fast.
Catch you tomorrow. Make something dope.